So leverage your calendars, or I don't know if you guys saw my calendar. I'm leveraging it in a kind of unique way. There's this thing on here that says no more appointments. I'm intentionally blocking my days off right now just so I don't put anything else in there or that nobody can schedule things because I need that time to commit to other activities right now. So there could be scenarios where you do something like this too, where you're just blocking it off. Like, don't do anything else because I need this right now to stay focused. I don't want anything else added to my calendar. So there's scenarios where this makes sense too. So keep that in mind. But use the reminder systems in here. Like, make sure you have reminders on, and you can actually set those by default in Google Calendar. So you can go up here to Menu, Settings, and then you can come down. Where is the 30 minutes? Why am I not finding? There's Event Settings. Okay, so yeah, find your specific calendar, and then you can turn on your event notifications automatically. You could have 10 of them in there. So for those of you guys that maybe need a few extra reminders, maybe like for me, I just need a notification 2 hours and 1 hour before an event. And I only like notifications. You could also have it send you emails if you prefer it. I get enough emails, I don't want any more emails. But that's something that I would recommend you guys do is set up these default notifications. So what that'll do is now anytime I go to add an event, those are automatically there. Notification 1 hour, notification 2 hours. So just have some default notifications set, and that'll really help you guys out.